This video will demonstrate how to pack gas springs for safe shipping. The supplies you will need are a heavy-duty cardboard box, end pads, packing materials such as corrugated paper, craft paper, or bubble wrap, a strapping machine, and reinforced packing tape. It should be noted if you're retaining the box or packing material your gas springs were delivered in, please reuse that for best results. This is an end pad. It will prevent the gas spring from punching through the end of the box. If you do not have end pads, you can make them using thick cardboard. You could also completely cover the ends of the box with packing tape if you prefer. Place a layer of paper in the bottom of the box. Place the gas springs side by side. Ensure they are all placed in the same orientation. For example, all of the cylinders are on the same end of the box. Once all of the springs are placed into the box, fill any voids with craft paper and tightly compress. The springs should not be able to move within the box. Place packing material on top of the springs so when the box is closed, downward pressure will prevent the springs from moving. Apply strapping material to the box as shown. If you do not have a strapping machine, you may apply reinforced packing tape around the circumference of the box as if it were straps. Apply packing tape lengthwise along the bottom of the box covering the straps. Cover the straps to prevent it from snagging on conveyor belts during transport. Apply tape lengthwise along the top of the box covering the straps.